Hello everyone, here we are introducing our 24 volts magnetic system. Now we are introducing the connecting way of our recessor track and our recessed connectors. On the table you can see that we have one piece of recessor track and three types of connectors. We have a L-type connector and a cross-type connector and also a T-type connector. And also we have a light here. It is for showing, to test the performance of the track. And now you can see that our track is a complete finished product. You have all the necessary parts like the end caps and have the connectors to fix. You can see we have connectors on the both sides, and we also have a connector on the top. Yeah, and also in our spare bag, we have our manual, and we also have a cable, and we also have stainless steel screws, and we also have a Allen wrench. These are all for assembling and connecting our tracks and connectors. And you can also see here we are using a 24 volt driver for our magnetic system. Pay attention to this point. You must connect our tracks or connectors with a 24 volt driver to assure that the track can work well. You cannot connect it to the AC directly. It will give you a big shit. Okay, now, just as what you can see, we also have a PC cover for our tracks. Also for our connectors, we also have a PC cover, which can help you to protect the tracks from against the powder, dust, while you are doing the POP. Okay, now we are showing you how to connect the track with our connectors. And you can see here, for our tracks, we have our PCB have two copper parts for the connection. There is a male one and a female one. So before you connect a track with a connector, you must check what it is for this end. For example, here, this end is a male connect. So when we connect the L connector, we must make sure that this part should be a female one. Okay, let's turn it around. Now we're doing a connecting. So now you need a tool. I think everybody should have this tool in your house. And you can use this tool to open the end cap of our track. Okay, then you can see here we have a connector here. This is mainly for connection to make sure that the electricity will go through the track and connectors. And now you can see here we have the connectors, and here also the connectors. Then we're doing a connecting. Firstly, you must make sure that this connector on the top side to go through the tracks, and then these two parts should go through. Okay, you should to make it loosen a little bit so that it can get through. Yes. Okay, now here we go. And before you do this part, then you must make sure that the male connector and the female connector are connected perfectly. Yeah. Okay. We have a connector then. Now we are doing a job to fix them. So you need to use this tool to fix this connector. Okay. Okay. Connect this part. Okay, it's quite strong. Yeah. Now we get to the next step, and we need to test if this track and connectors can work well. Now we have to open the PC cover. Before we do assembling these tracks and connectors onto the ceiling, we must test it works well or not firstly. So now we are taking one of our magnet module. Now we use this module to test the track. So firstly, we must make sure that our track has been connected to a 24-volt driver. And now the light is on, so here we go. Okay, so it works very well. And now we can check if this light can work well on every place of the track and the connect. Yep, it works very well. So now we can put down, and you can also have a check here. Yeah. So the whole pass works very well. Yeah. Okay, now we have finished the connecting. And before you assembling this this track and connectors to the ceiling, and after making sure that it works well and the electricity can go through very smoothly on the tracks, before you do the POP, please remember to get the PC covers back. Yeah, put it back so that it can help you to protect the PCB inside your tracks. One more important thing, when you are doing the POP, you must use the screw we put in our spare bag. We are using stainless steel screw. This is very important. After you doing the POP, this screw can help you a lot. If you are doing some not good quality one, then you may got some bad yellow tracks on your ceiling, because if the screws may get crusted. Okay. Also, this PC cover can be recyclable. After you do the POP, if you want to leave some PC cover on your tracks, then you can cut it by yourself and you can put it back just as you like. Okay, thank you.